niner 5. GPS approaching use, landing and departing runway 31. Hazardous weather information available on flight service frequencies. Use caution for bird activity on and in the vicinity of the airport. Read back hold short instructions and runway assignment. Advise ground control departure request. Advise on initial contact you have information hotel. Palo Alto Tower information hotel. Time 2247 Zulu. Wind 340 at 10. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 23, dew point 13. Altimeter 29er 5. GPS approaching use, landing and departing runway 31. Hazardous weather information available on flight service frequencies. Use caution for bird activity on and in the vicinity of the airport. Read back hold short instructions and runway assignment. Advise ground control departure request. Advise on initial contact you have information hotel.
Palo Alto ground, Cessna152 from Charlie, request taxiing from West Valley for runway 31 left and barring departure and have information hotel.
Cessna152 from Charlie, Palo Alto ground, runway 31, suggest terminal side Yankee, advise run complete.
Runway 31 suggests terminal side advise and run up is complete, 2 uniform Charlie.
Cessna 7 Victor Tango, Palo Alto ground, how do you hear?
Palo Alto ground, Cessna102 from Charlie, run up is complete.
Cessna 2 uniform Charlie, hold short Yankee 1, contact tower.
Hold short Yankee 1, contact tower, 2 uniform Charlie.
Is this Palo Alto CTAF?
Charlie 710 Victor Tango, you're continuously broadcasting on Palo Alto Tower frequency. Contact ground 125.0.
Radio check, 727 Victor Tango.
Palo Alto Tower, Cessna102 from Charlie, holding short Yankee 1.
Cessna 6 Mike Echo, you are cleared for takeoff. Do you need to hold for a reason?
No, no reason. Sorry, 6 Mike Echo clears takeoff.
Cessna 102 uniform Charlie, Palo Alto Tower, pull up hold short runway 31, landing traffic.
Pull up and hold short runway 312 uniform Charlie.
Skyline 504, number 2, follow Cessna, mile and a half final, wind 310 at 9er, runway 31, clear to land.
Clear to land, looking for the traffic, 504, runway 31.
Cessna 5 Mike Tango, number 3, following Skylane midfield right downwind, wind 310 at 9er, runway 31, clear to land.
Number 3, runway 31, clear to land, 5 Mike Tango. Cessna 4 Charlie, request that traffic on the go.
Cessna 4 Charlie, option approved on the go, right traffic, I'll call you right crosswind.
I'll call back crosswind, right traffic on the go, careful, options 31.
And Cessna 6 Mike. From Charlie, left on Barton, wind 320 at 9er, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Left and Barton, runway 31, clear for takeoff, uniform Charlie.
Cessna 4 Juliet Charlie, for spacing, make a left 360.
F360, Cessna 4 Charlie.
Skyline 7 Victor Tango, pull up and hold short of runway 31.
Pull up and hold short of runway 31, 7 Victor Tango.
Alive, airspeed alive, rotate.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved. See you later, Uniform Charlie. Hello, Tower, Cessna152 Uniform Charlie, over Slack, inbound for option, and I have information in the air.
Cessna152 Uniform Charlie, Palo Alto Tower, enter midfield left downwind, runway 31.
Left downwind, Uniform Charlie?
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, affirmative, enter left downwind, runway 31.
Left downwind, runway 31, Uniform Charlie.
7 Foxtrot Alpha, runway 31, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 31, 7 Foxtrot Alpha.
Cessna 05 November, right close traffic, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31, clear for takeoff, 05 November.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, number 1, runway 31, clear for the option, on the go, right close traffic.
Number 1 clear for the option, runway 31, right close traffic, Uniform Charlie.
And Cessna 7 Foxtrot Alpha, contact ground.
Contact ground, 7 Foxtrot Alpha.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, runway 31, taxi back each time via Zulu, remain my frequency, advise and terminate.
Taxi back via Zulu each time and advise termination 2 Uniform Charlie.
Cessna 05 November, runway 31, clear the option.
Runway 31, clear for the option, 05 November.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, follow the upwind Cessna, runway 31, clear takeoff.
Follow the Cessna upwind, runway 31, clear for takeoff 2 Uniform Charlie. Okay, RVM good, gauges in green, airspeed, alive.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, number 2, follow the Cessna on the right base wing up, runway 31, clear the option.
Number 2, follow the Cessna, runway 31, clear for option 2 Uniform Charlie.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, can you accept an immediate?
Affirm 2 Uniform Charlie.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, runway 31, clear takeoff, immediate traffic, Cessna turning final, 1.5 mile final.
Runway 31, clear for takeoff 2 Uniform Charlie.
Cessna 4 Sierra Papa, you number 2, following a Cessna, right base to final, runway 31, clear to land.
Cessna 4 Sierra Papa, number 2, 31, clear to land, traffic in sight.
Okay, gauges screen, airspeed alive. Okay.
Charlie number 2, runway 31, clear the option, I'll call you base for 1 departure.
Runway, number 2, runway 31, 2 Uniform Charlie.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, base your discretion, number 1.
Base time at discretion, number 1, 2 Uniform Charlie.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie. Crosswind at the train bridge, right close traffic, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Crossing at the train bridge, runway 31, clear for takeoff, to and from Charlie.
Cessna 40 Papa, turn base your discretion when departure.
Turning base 40 Papa.
Cessna 05 November, number 2, following a Cessna, just passing the 31 numbers, runway 31, clear for the option.
Number 2 follows Cessna, clear for the option, runway 3105 November.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, number 1, runway 31, clear for the option.
Number 1, clear for the option, to and from Charlie. Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, requesting short approach.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, short approach approved.
Short approach approved, to and from Charlie.
Right downwind 31.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, crosswind at the Auto Bridge, right close traffic, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Crossing at the Auto Bridge, runway 31, clear for takeoff, to and from Charlie.
Palo Alto Tower, Cherokee 9053 Juliet over Coyote Hills, landing 31 with Juliet.
Cherokee 9053 Juliet Palo Alto Tower, make right traffic via KPAO for runway 31.
Make right traffic for 3153 Juliet.
At our Foxtrot Mike and number 2, following a Cessna approaching midfield and the right down, runway 31, for land, you can begin reducing speed about 1 mile north.
Fox Mike, number 2, behind Cessna right downwind, reduce speed 1 mile north.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, traffic here at 12 o'clock, about 1 mile on final is a Mooney. Do you have them in sight? Additional traffic and trail them is a Cessna.
Traffic in sight, to and from Charlie.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, number 2, correction, number 3, following a Cessna, just on a 1.5 mile final, runway 31, clear to land.
Runway 31 clear lane will follow that traffic number 3, to and from.
Star 9 Delta Sierra, do you have the Cherokee on the right base in sight?
9 Delta Sierra, we've got a traffic turning right base on downwind. I don't know if it's a Cherokee or not.
Affirmative, that traffic on the right base turn is your traffic to follow. Base your discretion to follow. Number 3.
9 Delta Sierra, number 3, clear to land runway 31.
Cessna 05 November, midfield, make a left 360 for spacing.
Midfield, left 360 for spacing, 05 November.
Tower, good evening. Cherokee 3576 Julia, inbound for landing with India, descending out of 2000.
Turkey 3576 Juliet, Apollo Tower, proceed to Slack, open over Slack, I'll call you inbound.
We'll proceed to Slack and wait for your call. 76 Juliet, thanks.
Cessna152 from Charlie, extend up into the auto bridge, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31, clear for takeoff, extend upwind to the auto bridge, 2 from Charlie.
Time is 900 Delta Sierra, Zulu, contact ground. RV7 Mike Hotel, number 2, follow Cessna, right base, runway 31, clear to land.
31, clear to land, number 2, Cessna inside, Mike Hotel.
Turkey 43 Juliet, pull up to hold short, runway 31, traffic landing. Cessna152 from Charlie, right crosswind approved.
Right crosswind approved, 2 from Charlie.
Cessna152 from Charlie, runway 31, clear for the option.
Runway 31, clear for the option, 2 from Charlie. Takeoff flow.
Cessna152 from Charlie, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Runway 31, clear for takeoff, 2 from Charlie.
Cherokee 76 Juliet, taxi Zulu Yankee 2, suggest Juliet, monitor ground.
Zulu Yankee 2 to parking and monitor ground, 76 Juliet.
Cessna 05 November, runway 31, cleared for the option.
Runway 31, clear for the option, 05 November. Hey, green, align.
Cessna152 from Charlie, number 2, follow Cessna, right base to final, runway 31, clear for the option.
Number 2, runway 31, clear for the option, 2 from Charlie.
Cessna152 from Charlie, hold short of the dash line.
Hold short of the dash line, 2 from Charlie.
Cessna off my right.
Cessna152 from Charlie, pull up to hold short, runway 31.
Pullman, hold short, runway 31, 2 from Charlie.
Tower Bonanza 70 Mike Charlie, 2600 descending with Juliet.
Bonanza 70 Mike Charlie, pull up the tower, make straight in, runway 31.
Straight in, 31, Mike Charlie.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, runway 31 clear for takeoff.
Runway 31 clear for takeoff, Uniform Charlie.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, number 3, follow Bonanza, 3 mile final, runway 31 clear for the option.
Number 3, runway 31 clear for the option, Uniform Charlie. Tower, Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, array number 2, 431.
Cessna 2 Uniform Charlie, number 1 now, base your discretion.
I'm at discretion, Uniform Charlie. Hello, ground Cessna 102 from Charlie, terminate, taxiing back to West Valley.
Cessna 2 from Charlie, taxi Zulu Yankee 2, suggest Juliet, monitor ground.
Zulu Yankee 2, suggest Juliet, monitor ground. Good night, 2 from Charlie.